Okay, students, we continue problems under type 4, that is method of completion of square, and we are now with the 15th class. It is C15, 15th class of integration topic. Already we worked some more examples under type 4, we had some more, then we move on to type 5 problems. Next question, evaluate. Evaluate integration dx all divided by square root of x minus 2 into x minus 3. First step, as usual, we begin computation I. Let I equal to integration dx divided by square root of x minus 2 into x minus 3. Right now, it is not in the form of a quadratic expression, but we can bring after opening of these two brackets. So let's multiply bracketed quantities under the square root. Integration dx divided by square root of x into x, x square, x into minus 3, minus 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into minus 3 becomes plus 6. So that is equal to integration dx divided by square root of x square minus 3x minus 2x will become minus 5x plus 6. Now let us apply method of completion of square, and x square is having unity coefficient, well and good, but x must be the multiple of 2. Here we shall multiply and divide by 2 with x. That is equals to integration dx divided by square root of x square minus 2 into 5 by 2 into x plus 6. So after getting the term 2x in the bracket, what number will come? That much square should be added and subtracted. Add and subtract 5 by 2 square. So inside that square root, we add and subtract the number 5 by 2 whole square. That is equal to integration dx divided by square root of x square minus 2 into 5 by 2 into x plus we add 5 by 2 square and we subtract by the same number plus 5 by 2 square. There is already plus 6, and now write the balancing number with minus 5 by 2 square. So that now these three terms will become, will make, what they will make, an perfect square of x minus 5 by 2. That is equal to integration dx divided by square root of these three terms will make x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 minus 5 square 25 4 2 square 4. That is equal to integration dx divided by square root of x minus 5 by 2 whole square remains unchanged. Whereas in this bracket LCM 4 into 6, 24, 24 minus 25 is minus 1 divided by 4. That is equal to integration dx divided by square root of x minus 5 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 written as 1 by 2 square. And after all these hard work, you need to apply at the end correct formula which is suitable. Just like in the form of integration dx by root of x square minus a square, whose formula is log of x plus root of x square minus a square. Now this integration is exactly of this format. X means x minus 5 by 2, a is 1 by 2. So let us use that formula. The answer becomes log modulus x minus 5 by 2 plus square root of x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4 plus constant. Or you can stop here. No. One more step can be continued if you wish. Log modulus of x minus 5 by 2 plus the square root of this expression. Actually, we got it from the expression. What was that? X square minus 5x plus 6. Or even it is same as x minus 2 into x minus 3, that can be written. So this is equivalently same as x minus 2 into x minus 3. You can stop here, no wrong here. Or you can write this step also. That is also correct one. Like this, any other kind of problems of this type, you need to manage them because your method remains same. Only numbers can be changed. You may get x plus 2, x plus 3, you may get x minus 4, x minus 6, you may get x plus 3, x minus 5. So if that were the case, should not blame the lecturers. So we solved 2 and 3, in exam came 4 and 5, how to solve? That's all not fair on your part. So in mathematics, what I told is that method is important rather than that particular number in that particular problem. I hope you can able to solve any other problems of this type or type 4. So these some questions I am putting for your work. You try these promptly without fail. So these some questions will be assignment at your home. Try these and put the efforts. It will be a good practice for you people. Evaluate, follow you. That first one, integration dx by 2 2x square plus 3x plus 4. Second one, integration 1 divided by square root of 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Integration dx divided by square root of 5 minus 6x minus x square. Fourth, integration dx divided by square root of x plus 1 into x plus 2, like in the last problem what we have solved. Fifth one, integration dx divided by x square plus 10x plus 10. Lastly, sixth one, integration dx divided by x square minus 8x. What is 8? 2 into 4, add 16, subtract 16, complete the square. At the end, apply the correct integration formula. Okay. I hope you will solve these 6 problems yourself without fail. Now we move on to type 5 problems. Type 5 problems are just extension of type 4 problems. Means while solving type 5, again we come across with type 4 problems. Right? Problems on type 5. Type 5. Type 5 is like this. You write evaluation of integrals. Evaluation of integrals of the form or of the type. Evaluation of integrals of the form integration px plus q means linear factor divided by unfactorizable quadratic factor ax square plus bx plus c. I know. For both of these two methods same, only last occurring formula will be different. And integration px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c. Now for these two types of problems, method will be same. Right now what I will explain. At the end, applying integration formulas are different. So let's see how these kind of integrations can be solved. I will write stepwise. You also go on writing the same thing. At the same time, write one sentence. Write one sentence. These kind of integrals can be evaluated. These kind of integrals can be evaluated. These kind of integrals can be evaluated by following method. By following method. By following method. In the first step, let numerator equals to. We need to express numerator in this particular format. Numerator equal to constant L into derivative of quadratic expression or quadratic term plus another constant M. Observe, in the problem numerator present, in the problem this quadratic term is present, but L and M will not be present. We have to obtain them, where L comma M to be determined, where L comma M to be determined, to be obtained. Then we shall see in the later part how we can get a value of L and M. Now, what's numerator? Px plus q equals to L into differentiation of quadratic term. In any of these two cases, that quadratic term is ax square plus bx plus c. Plus m. Or px plus q equals to L into differentiation of ax square 2ax plus differentiation of bx b plus differentiation of c 0 left out. But m will not comes under differentiation process separately, plus m. Same time, take this integration as I, there will be no wrong with that. You call it as one if you wish. Both together will become one. Call 2. Next step is that we have to compare coefficient of x, constant terms, to get values of L and M. And when we compare coefficient of x, here 2al, here p. In problems, it may be something like 3x plus 2 equals to L into 6x plus 3 plus m. In this way you may get. Now when we compare coefficient of x, here what's coefficient of x? 3. Here 6l. 3 equal to 6l, or L equal to 3 divided by 6, or L equal to 1 by 2. That is the problem. Here children, actually here what we get, L equal to P divided by 2e. So in equation 2, we have to compare coefficient of x to get L, constant terms to get M. You write the next part. Next step, or next part. Compare, same as equate, compare coefficient of x in equation 2 to get value of M. Compare coefficient of x in equation 2 to get value of L and constant terms, not coefficient of constant meaning as actual constant and constant terms in equation 2. And when we compare constant, there will be a presence of L. That L value we have to insert here. After that, we get value of M. And constant terms in equation 2 to get value of M. Say the problem, L may be 1 by 2, M may be 6, L may be minus 1, M may be 0, L may be 2 by 3, M may be 7. That's different in different cases. But extracting way of values are same. For L, compare coefficient of x. For M, compare constant terms. After this, the next step will be like this. From 2, for px plus q, we use in our problem numerator, either here or here. So next write from 2, using in 1 for numerator as good as for px plus q. So with the use of numerator from 2 in 1, our problem I becomes as integration. What it become? L into 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c. Or you can write and also. Or integration L plus L is L into 2ax plus b plus m divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. The next coming steps I summarize at once. Means I merge at once. Next step like this. Substitute values of L and M. Put the values of L and M, maybe this case or this case. After putting values of L and M, separate the terms by LCM rule. Because what is A plus B by C? A by C plus B by C. So substitute values of L and M, separate the terms. After separating terms, we shall take right now this case only. What it become? L into integration 2ax plus b divided by ax square plus bx plus c. What I am telling? After putting values of L and M plus m into integration dx by ax square plus bx plus c, like this will be get. This first one exactly in the form of f dash x divided by fx, because ax square differentiation 2ax, bx plus c differentiation is b, so that it is in the form of integration f dash x by f of x, whose answer log of f of x. Whereas this integration can be evaluated by type 4 method. What is that? Method of completion of square. If you are given problem without root, if you are given with root, what we get is here square, here square. It will become in the form of f dash x by root of fx, 2 root of fx. Here apply method of completion of square to get a final answer of integration. Hence, in either of these two cases, method remains same. Last applying formulas of integration are different. Now continue some more points. Substitute values of L comma M. Substitute values of L comma M, comma. Separate the term. Separate the terms. As I told, it is just like a plus b by c, a by c plus b by c. Separate the terms along with integrals. And after that, one more step, finally. Finally, use the formula. Integration f dash x by f of x, which is equals to log of f of x, or integration f dash x by root of f of x, that is equal to 2 root of f of x. This is for the first part of separation. First part of separation will become L into 2ax plus b by ax square plus bx plus c, or with root. For that time telling these formulas. Whereas for second separation of part, you apply type 4 method. Whereas this is for first separated term. Whereas for the second separated term, what is second separated term? M divided by ax square plus bx plus c, or m divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Whereas for second separated term, applying type 4 method. What's type 4 method? Method of completion of square. That is method of completion of square. So this is the background or blueprint to solve problems of this type. When we solve problems, we come to know easily how this method we are going to implement. So let's have problems on type 4. Again I explain. First step, write numerator as constant L into differentiation of quadratic expression plus another constant m, and after that compare coefficient of x and constants to get values of L and m, and after that use value of numerator in the problem, substitute values of L and m, separate the terms along with separation of integrations. Then first integration can be evaluated by any one of these two formulas, second one can be evaluated by method of completion of square. When we solve problems, it will be very easier for our mind. Write problems on type 5. Write the problems under the belt of type 5. First problem. Find or evaluate. Evaluate integration x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x plus 5 dx. So let's begin from rotation I. Let I equal to integration x plus 2 divided by x square plus 2x plus 5 comma refer just now explained the method. Let numerator equals to n apostrophe r, n suffix r means numerator equal to constant n into derivative of quadratic expression or quadratic term plus another constant n. Here what is numerator? X plus 2. N into the derivative of what's the quadratic expression? X square plus 2x plus 5 is quadratic expression plus constant n. X plus 2 equals to L into differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of 2x is 2 plus differentiation of 5 is 0 plus m remains constant. Better highlight it, underline it. Now we shall compare coefficient of x and constants. Compare coefficient of x in equation 2. Here how much is the coefficient of x? 1. Whereas in the right hand side x into 2 into l becomes 2l. 2l equals to 1 implies l equals to 1 divided by 2. But not become 1 minus 2. Be careful. Now we compare constants. Next, comparing constants in same equation 2. What's the meaning of constant? Term not containing of x. Here 2, here 2, not only 2 with l, 2l, here plus m. So 2 equals to 2l plus m. But already we know l value. What is l value? 1 by 2. 2 equals to 2 into 1 by 2 plus m. Or 2 equals to 1 plus m, or m equal to how much? 2 minus 1, 1. Now write from 2 for x plus 2 we using 1. Nothing but from 2 using in 1 for numerator. That means x plus 2 can be written as l into 2x plus 2 plus m. Now write from 2 using in 1 for numerator. I becomes integration L into 2x plus 2 plus m divided by x square plus 2x plus 2. Now you can separate the terms, then you can write values of L and M. Or first write values of L and M, then separate the terms. Does not make any difference. Choice is yours. First, you can separate the terms, then replace values of L and M. Or replace values of L and M, then separate. So I am separating the terms along with integration. Separating the terms. Separating the terms with integration also, comma integrals. There are sum of how many terms? 2 terms. So we get to integration. First one, L into integration 2x plus 2y x square plus 2x plus 5. Next one is m divided by, means m outside, into integration 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we write back values of L and M here. Substitute L comma M value. So that now I becomes as L 1 by 2 into integration 2x plus 2y x square plus 2x plus 5. Whereas m value is 1 omitted, plus integration 1, just 1 divided by x square plus 2x plus 5. This is in the form. See the format. This is f dash x. This is f of x. So first one exactly in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x, whose answer is log of f of x, means 1 by 2 log of x square plus 2x plus 5. Whereas here we need to apply method of completion of square, that is type 4 problems, not an new one. Everything is known. We have x square, we have 2x, we need to get 1, 5 is written as 1 plus 4. X square plus 2x plus 1 plus 4. That is equals to 1 by 2 log of x square plus 2x plus 5 remains unchanged. Plus integration dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. And at the same time, 4 written as 2 square. Finally, 1 by 2 log of x square plus 2x plus 5 . Now this is in the form of integration dx by x square plus a square, whose formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a there. Now what is a? 2. So 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by 2 plus a constant. That's a final answer. Looks like a somewhat expanded one. I mean, lengthy one, not a complicated one. Easier. Same problem can be given with square root. If there were a square root, method will not change. Please keep in mind. Method remains same L value, same M value, here square root, here square root, here square root, here square root, square root. Here answer is not long. It is just like f dash x by root of fx to root of fx. Whereas here, because of square root, it is just like integration dx by root of x square plus a square. That formula to be applied. And what is the formula? Log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So with root, without root, no change in steps, no change in mechanism. Only at the end, formulas of integrations must be applied correctly. Next problem. Evaluate or find. Evaluate integration 2x minus 1 whole divided by square root x square minus 2x plus 2. First step, take I. Let I equal to integration 2x minus 1 divided by square root of x square minus 2x plus 2. What's the procedure? Take numerator. Let numerator equals to constant L into differentiation of quadratic term or quadratic expression plus another constant m. What's numerator? 2x minus 1 equals to L into differentiation of quadratic expression is x square minus 2x plus 2 plus m. That is 2x minus 1 equals to L into differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of 2x is 2, total 2x minus 2 plus m. What is the next step? Comparing coefficient of x side constants, but separately. Compare coefficient of x and constants, not at a time, individually. First coefficient of x, then constants. In the left hand side, x coefficient 2, in the right hand side, x coefficient is 2l. 2 cancels, l equal to 1. We also compare the constants. Left hand side constant is minus 1. Right hand side minus 2 into L minus 2L plus M, or minus 1 equal to minus 2 into L value is 1 plus M, or minus 1 equal to minus 2 plus M, or M equal to 2 minus 1, or M equals to 1. L1, M1. From 2, using in 1. From 2, using in 1. Of course, for numerator. What it becomes is that now I equal to integration L into 2x minus 2 plus M divided by square root of x square minus 2x plus 2. What is the next step? Separating the terms and integrals. Next step will be separating the terms and integrals. Separating the terms. Understandably, along with integrations. So what we get is that L into integration 2x minus 2 by square root of x square minus 2x plus 2. Plus M into integration dx by square root of x square minus 2x plus 2. Now replace values of L and M. Substitute values of L and M. Substitute value of L comma M. What is L? L value 1. M also 1. I becomes integration 2x minus 2 by root of x square minus 2x plus 2. Plus next M is 1, neglected, integration dx by root of x square minus 2x plus 2. It is in the format integration of f dash x by root of f of x, that is equal to 2 root of f of x. And if there were no square root, then your answer would be log. Here we apply method of completion of square. Everything is set. पूरा सेट हो गया है इधर x square minus 2x. How much we need? 1. 2 means 1 plus 1. So that now these three terms will make an x minus 1 whole square. 2 root of x square minus 2x plus 2. Plus integration dx by root of x minus 1 whole square plus 1 means 1 square. And last one, 2 into square root of x square minus 2x plus 2. Refer among of 6 which type it is having? It is just like integration dx by root of x square plus a square. Answer log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Here log x means x minus 1 plus root of x square means x minus 1 whole square plus a square means 1 square plus c. For still more examples we shall read in the next class. Thank you.